What you making, guys?
Pussy.
Oh, what's in there?
We have the fruit.
What did you put in it?
The fruit.
You put fruit and what else?
Bird seed.
Bird seed.
And bird seed.
Bird seed. And did you put breadcrumbs?
Nuts. Oh no.
That's all right. Did you put oatmeal in there?
No.
Huh?
Yeah, you did.
Yeah. And who are we going to feed with these?
A boy.
The birds. Kelly, where are the birds?
Tree.
In the tree. Yes, they are.
John. Wow.
And,
John.
and they fly around. You can see them.
He's waiting for some bird seed here.
Yeah.
He won't even.
Pretty soon, well, Miss Chris will put the glue in there. And the glue is...
And
Okay, you all done?
and